Hi, I'm Whitney.
And I'm Danielle.
We're the founders of Sakara Life. And so you may have heard this term be thrown around, especially by us. We talk about it all the time, the microbiome. It sounds big, it sounds scary, but really what it's referring to is the ecosystem of bacteria that's living in and on your body. And when we talk about it, we're mainly talking about that ecosystem that is living inside of your gut, inside your digestive system. And it is one of the most important pieces of health and your body, and it's really the future of nutrition. And so it's really important for us to talk about it, and we wanted to explain a little bit to you about why it's so important.
And why it's so important to the Sakara program and why we focus on it. So there are 3 takeaways we want you to have about the microbiome. So 1, the microbiome is the 6 pounds of bacteria that's living in your gut. And it's dictating everything from your immune system to your hormones, your sex drive, your digestion, how well you sleep, and even your mood. 95% of your serotonin is made in your gut, not your brain.
Wow, that's amazing.
So number 2 is one of my favorite points because a lot of people ask us about calories, how many calories are in your food, and it's one thing that's really important to me that we don't talk about because calorie in is not calorie out. That is a myth. It's been busted. The science is out. Calorie in is not calorie out. And one of the reasons for that is that if you think about, let's say, Whitney and I, we eat pretty much the same food every single day. We eat Sakara every single day. But because I might have a different microbiome than Whitney, so different types of bacteria in my gut, that means that I am absorbing a different amount of calories from my food, different amount of nutrients, and overall digesting my food differently. So we could eat the same thing and I could get more vitamins, I could be a little more bloated, I could absorb more calories, and that's why it's so important to have a healthy gut microbiome. So the 3rd point is, what's the most important thing for a healthy gut, Whit?
Eating plants. What does that bacteria that is so important to your body, that is dictating all of these pieces of your body, eat? It eats plants. Good plant fiber like you find in the Sakara Life meal programs. You need that fiber to go in order to feed the bacteria so it can produce essential vitamins, minerals, enzymes. Some of these vitamins you're not actually even absorbing from your food, but you're getting them from the microbes that are producing them from eating your food. So you got to be eating the right foods in order to get your microbiome nice and healthy. You treat it well, it will treat you well. That's the key.
That is the key. So that's why eating plants is the core focus of what we do here at Sakara Life. Making sure you have plants at every single meal, and one of the most important plants you can eat is enough leafy greens every single day, at least 6 to 8 cups, which, since you're on the program with us, you'll be getting. So you'll have a healthy microbiome. Ciao.